In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived chats in ChatGPT. If you've ever cleaned up your conversation list and later needed to revisit something you archived, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find those chats. Archiving simply tucks a conversation out of your main history without deleting it, so you can bring it back or review it whenever you need. Keep in mind, the interface can evolve over time, but the path I'm about to show you remains broadly consistent. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation was created. If you use more than one account for work and personal projects, double check that you're in the right one to avoid wondering why a chat isn't showing up. Once you're in, click your profile name or profile icon to open the account menu. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as your initials or a small avatar. If you don't immediately see it, look near the sidebar or the top corner of the page. It's the same menu you'd use to access your account options. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the place where you manage how ChatGPT behaves for your account. You'll notice several categories here, and we're heading to the one that controls your data and history. Next, click on Data Controls. This section groups options related to your conversation history and privacy. It's where you can manage how your chats are stored and accessed, which is exactly what we need for archived conversations. Now go to Archive Chats. This is the dedicated area for conversations you've moved out of your main sidebar. If you don't see anything listed, it likely means you haven't archived any chats yet, or you're viewing the wrong account. Finally, click on Manage. This opens the full archive management view. Here you'll see a list of your archived conversations. You can open any chat to review its content, and in many cases, you'll have options to bring a conversation back to your main list or continue it from where you left off. Remember, archiving is different from deleting. Archive chats are still safely stored and accessible. They're just hidden from your day-to-day view. If you're looking for a specific topic, scan the titles or timestamps to quickly spot the right thread. That's it. You've navigated from your account menu to settings, into data controls, and straight to your archived chats using Manage. With this, you'll always know where your older conversations live when you need them again.